Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 7, comparing quantities, exercise 7.1, question number 1. The question is, during a sale, a shop offered a discount of 10% on the marked prices of all the items. What would be a customer have to pay for a pair of jeans marked at rupees 1450 and two shirts marked at rupees 850 each? So they are saying that the marked price of jeans is nothing but rupees 1450. This is the marked price of jeans. Similarly, the marked price of two shirts, it is equal to rupees 850 each. Since it is rupees 850 each, we have to multiply by 2. Why? Because they are saying that one shirt it is 850 rupees. They are buying two shirts. Okay, so it is 850 into 2. So 2 into 0, 0. 5 2s are 10. Balance 1. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. So the cost of the marked price of two shirt it is rupees 1700. Okay. So the total cost, total marked price of both the jeans as well as shirt, it is given by 1450 plus 1700. Okay. So 1450 plus 1700 you have. So it is 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 4, 11. So here it is 1, 3, right? So 3150. So total marked price is rupees 3150. Okay, that is while we add both the amount of jeans as well as two shirts, it is nothing but 3150. Now it is the marked price. Okay, and then the discount percentage is nothing but 10%. Okay, and what they are asking, what would be a customer have to pay for both the jeans as well as two shirts after the discount? Okay, that is sale price they are asking. They are asking for sale price. Okay, so now the marked price we know and discount percentage we know. What is the discount percentage? It is 10%. So we have to find out the discount amount as well as sale price we have to find out. Okay. So first let me find out the discount amount so that we can easily find out the sale price. Okay. So we know that marked price is rupees 3150 for all the items. Okay. So discount amount is given by discount percentage into marked price. Okay, so this is the formula which we know already. So what is the discount percentage? It is 10%. So 10% of marked price, right? So what is 10%? 10% we can write it as 10 by 100. Okay, into marked price. What is marked price? 3150. So 0 0 get cancelled when we use 5 tables, or directly we can cancel out this and this 10. Okay, so 10 and 10 get cancelled. So 0 0 get cancelled. Numerator we have only 315. So discount amount now it is 315. Discount amount is 315. Okay, so now we need to find out the sale price. So we know that discount is given by marked price minus sale price. So sale price it is given by marked price. Okay, so take this to the left hand side, it becomes plus. Take this to the right hand side, it becomes minus. So sale price is given by marked price is 3150. Discount price is 315. So just subtract both the value. So 3150 minus 315. So 10 minus 5 it is 5. 4 minus 1 it is 3. Okay, so 11 minus 3 it is 8. So here it is 2. So sale price it is rupees 2835. This is the final answer what they are asking. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.